The world is still in shock after Tesla dropped a bombshell last week with the announcement of their new car, the 2026 Tesla Model 2. It's cheaper than even the Nissan Leaf. And while everyone else in the industry is talking about it, Elon Musk is totally silent. Why is that? Let's find out. Welcome to our channel, your place for the latest tech news. The year 2026 Tesla Model 2 was announced on July 18, 2023 during Tesla's second quarter earnings call. According to Tesla, the production of this vehicle will begin in 2026, but the price may change before then. Now, the reason why the industry and potential buyers are shocked is because this is the most affordable EV ever made by Tesla or any other company for that matter. Tesla has been known for manufacturing luxury EVs like the Model S, which starts at $88,000. They followed that up with more affordable models like the Model Y, which starts at $47,000. However, the Model 2 completely shatters any notion that EVs are expensive, at $15,990. The Model 2 undercuts even the cheapest internal combustion engine car on the market today. The base price of the Nissan Leaf is $27,400. So Tesla just handed automakers a major defeat. But there's the price of the Model 2 won't remain the same when the car hits the market. Most likely, it will increase over the next few years due to inflation. But even if the price increases to something like $20,000, the Model 2 will still be the cheapest EV available. According to analysts, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has been silent on the Model 2 since the announcement because he's waiting for public feedback. Elon knows that people will have questions about the vehicle, so he wants to wait until he can address them. Furthermore, Elon probably didn't expect such a huge reaction to the Model 2. He thought the media would focus on the Model Y, which is a much bigger deal. The Model 2 is essentially an unknown quantity. It's a new car from a new factory with no track record, so Elon is being cautious. He doesn't want to make any promises he can't keep. We all know how much pressure Tesla has been facing recently. They've been trying to increase their production numbers for quite some time now, and they finally achieved that goal. Tesla produced over 480,000 cars in the first half of this year, surpassing the previous record of 438,000 vehicles set in 2022. Even though Tesla delivered fewer cars than they've produced, they still managed to deliver 324,000 vehicles in the first half of 2023. This is a new record for the company, and it shows that demand for Tesla vehicles remains high despite the economic uncertainty. Another reason why Elon is silent is that he's busy with other projects at the moment. For example, he's been working on developing Starship, which is a massive rocket that will be used to explore the solar system. Elon also has his hands full with Twitter, which he acquired last year for $44 billion. It is safe to say that Elon is spread a bit thin at the moment, and he doesn't have time to talk about the Model 2. However, we did get some new details about the Model 2 from Sandy Munro, who is a well-known automotive analyst. According to Munro, the Model 2 will be a four-door sedan, and it will be built at Tesla's Gigafactory in Mexico. This is the company's newest factory, and it's located near the city of Nuevo Leon. Tesla broke ground on this factory in January, and they plan to start building cars there by 2024. As for the Model 2, production is expected to begin in late 2026. It is unclear what platform the Model 2 will be based on, but it should be a variation of the Model 3 platform. This makes sense, since the Model 3 is currently built at Gigafactory Shanghai and Gigafactory Berlin. Using the same platform would allow Tesla to share parts between the two vehicles and keep costs down. Interestingly, Monroe believes that the Model 2 will be a more basic vehicle than the Model 3. This means that it will have fewer features and a smaller range than the Model 3. However, it will also be cheaper to produce. In fact, Sandy Monroe estimates that the Model 2 will cost only $10,000 to build. That's significantly less than the Model 3, which costs around $30,000 to build. Of course, we'll have to wait until the car is released to see what it's actually capable of. But it's clear that Tesla is serious about making EVs more affordable. If the company can produce a car for $10,000, it would open up the market to a whole new group of buyers. We could see millions of Teslas on the road in the next few years. Another interesting thing about the Model 2 is that it will be the first Tesla vehicle to be mass-produced outside of China. This is a big deal because it will help Tesla reduce its reliance on China. The country is currently a major producer of electric vehicles, but it also has a lot of competition. If something happens to the Chinese EV market, Tesla will be in trouble. That's why the company is trying to diversify its production. Of course, Gigamexico isn't the only factory that Tesla is working on. The company is also building a factory in Texas where they will produce the This is a large pickup truck that has been delayed several times. It was originally supposed to be released in 2020, but it's now been pushed back to 2024. Still, when it does release, the Cybertruck will be a game changer for Tesla. It will be the company's first vehicle to be built in the United States, and it's also one of their most unique products. The Cybertruck is a stainless steel pickup truck that looks straight out of science fiction. It has a lot of cool features, including a vault in the bed that can be used to store camping gear or other equipment. The Cybertruck is also very functional. It has a towing capacity of 7 tons, and it can carry up to 6 passengers. Elon Musk has been teasing the release of the Cybertruck for years, and fans are eagerly anticipating its arrival. Overall, the future is bright for Tesla. The company is growing rapidly, and it has a lot of exciting products in the pipeline. The Model 2 is a good example of this. It's an affordable EV that could change the way we all drive. When it releases in 2026, it will shake up the automotive industry. Tesla is a company to watch in the coming years, so now you know why. Elon Musk is silent about the 2026 Tesla Model 2. Yes, waiting for feedback from the public, and he's probably a little overwhelmed right now. But rest assured, we will hear more about the Model 2 in the near future. What do you think of the 2026 Tesla Model 2? Would you buy this car? What features do you think it will have? Share your thoughts with us. And thank you for watching. If you'd like to receive updates about tech, science, and the future of our world, hit the subscribe button.